Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to configure OPCAgentX software as unidirectional OPCDA to MQTT publisher. So OPCAgentX software will connect with OPCDA server, okay, and it will publish the data of OPCDA server to the MQTT broker, and with the help of any MQTT client software we can read and monitor the data. Now in this video, what we will do is we will use the OPCAgentX software to log our OPCDA server data into the CSV file. Okay, so if you want to use this OPCAgentX software as CSV data logger for OPCDA server, then also it can be useful. So let's see how you can configure it. So here is my OPCAgentX software, and right now I'm not connected with any OPCDA server. So we will browse our OPCDA server which is available in my system. Okay, and here we have the list of available OPCDA server in my system. I'm going to connect with metric and OPC simulation server, and here you can see we have the simulation items folder, and inside that we have the random folder, and I'm going to add this 3 tag into the monitoring. Okay, or you can say we are going to subscribe to this 3 tag, and here you can see the latest values. Okay, now we want to log this tag value at every 5 second or every 10 second to the CSV file. Then how we can do that? So you can navigate to the tools, and here you can see archive configuration. So here you can select the option file. Okay, so once you select the option file, this window will open. You have to click on this pencil to enable the data logging setting. So I'm going to enable this setting, and we are going to log all the variable data in the single file. Okay, so if you deselect this, then each variable will logged into the separate file. Okay, and then after we are going to specify the output folder, which is custom. So I'm going to specify the same output folder, okay, tag logging, at this location, and we are going to select the delimiter comma because we are going to create the CSV file. Okay, so here I'm going to select the file extension CSV. Now here you can see the time interval. So at what interval you want to log your OPCDA data into the CSV file. So I want to log my data into the CSV file at interval of 5 seconds. So I will select the 5 second, or if you want to change the time interval, then you can change as per your requirement. And then after periodic, okay, so we want to create log file at every hour. So we are going to select it. Okay, we will select the growing file. Okay, we will allow this software to create the large file to store more data. Okay, and then we are not going to limit the file size, and then we will press OK. Okay, that's it, and we will stop the runtime, and we will start the runtime to initiate the process. Now I can monitor the same folder for the file generation. Okay, here you can see we have all tag underscore 240823, which is the date, and 23rd is the hour. Okay, the file is generated, and here you can see the size. So it will log my data in this file at interval of 5 seconds, and it will continuously log the data until the hour gets changed. And here you can see the hour gets changed. Okay, and the new file is created. So we can open the older file and we can check the data. Okay, we don't have any data, okay, because we haven't selected any tag to be logged. So I'm going to close it, and here we will click on this view detail button, and then we will select this 3 tag which we are going to log into the CSV file. Okay, so I forget to do this, so you have to select it here, and then after we are going to stop the runtime, and I'm going to delete this 2 file. Okay, and then we will start the runtime again to log this 3 tag into the CSV file. Okay, you can see the new CSV file is generated. I can copy this, okay, and I can open the copy of the CSV file, and here you can see the timestamp. So I'm going to change the format of this cell. Okay, here you can see every 5 seconds it will log the data for this 3 variable into the CSV file. Okay, so this is how you can use this OPCAgentX software to log your OPCDA server data into the CSV file at specified time interval. You can specify the time interval as per your requirement, but for the testing and demonstration purpose, I have used the 5 second to log the data immediately in our CSV file. Okay, so at every hour it will create the new CSV file, and if I stop it and if I click on the pencil, then here you can change the periodic setting as well. So if you want to create the CSV file on the daily basis, monthly basis, or every minute, then you can do that here. Okay, I'm going to leave this as it is. Okay, and we will again start the runtime. Okay, and it will log our data into this CSV file. So I can open this CSV file, and here you can see we have this much of data for the 0th minute, for first minute, and for second minute. Okay, so this is how you can use this OPCAgentX software to log your OPCDA server data into the CSV file. In the next video, instead of OPCDA server, we will see how you can log your OPCUA server data into the CSV file. So we are going to do the same process, but instead of OPCDA data logging, we are going to perform the data logging for our OPCUA server. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.